Hi friends, this is Salampalli Akil. Today, in my topic, today aircraft production technology, and my topic is ontology based on Horient events driven architecture for the autonomous manufacturing systems. About the introduction, that is, with the enthusiastic in a social media, customers tends to more interested in a personalized products and ever user generated products, despite having the different names and emphasizing different aspects. The offer mentioned manufacturing paradigms having something in the common. Their supply changes needs to be tight collaborated through the integrated data edge. Despite having the different names and emphasizing the different aspects, the aforementioned manufacturing paradigms have something in common. Their supply chains needs to be tightly collaborated through the integrated data-rich information systems to deliver the excellence, while being extremely flexible in responding a high dynamic market. A distributed autonomous loosely coupled holonetic network manufacturing systems (NMS) network manufacturing systems is widely considered to be suitable to implement those paradigms, to transfer the paradigms of the manufacturing systems from the conventional functions oriented to the evaluated with the emergence technologies such as large CPs. Manufacturing systems can be obtained much more data and uncertain than ever before. The event service are organized in a holonomic manner. Holonomic event-driven architecture. In the OHEDA, we define the components of the producing, consuming, and the processing the events as event service. An event service uses a set of an event handles to process and react to the events may require an event listeners for the listening to the events it is subscribed. The CEP can be executed using a CEP engine dedicated to the event services or shared among the multiple event services. The related event services, such as the service provided by the same organizations, are grouped into an event service assembled ESA in OHEDA for working collaborated to achieve some common objectives. Building block diagram of OHEDA event service assembly, event service, event handler, CEP engine, event listener, event service manager, service register, service attributor, ontology listeners, event message boxer, broker, broker network. Ontology of model to enable the attributed autonomous configuration and access control in the Holonomic EDA. We propose an ontology model, how to configure the channel for the event delivery, what are the events required by the service, in what way can the required events can be delivered to the service, what are the events provided by the service, and who might need those events. Should an event be delivered to event services in the system? If not, what are the services it can be delivered to? Who should dedicate to this? Can any services to be allowed to access the event? If not, what are the services that are allowed? Who should decide this? Organization is a set of an individual organized for a particular purpose. We define the following predicts representing the particular purpose. We define the following predicts responding the different relationships between the organizations in the EDO service. Service represents a specialization, operation, or a function provides to a other component for, uh, for example, machine transport and producing schedule and organization. This is about the basic flowcharts concepts of the relationships in EDO. There are organization service, event service manager, EA policy, event services information, event type, event scope, publish, service registration, subscribe, and the event. Personalization gift to suppliers network case. In this section, we present a case study to demonstrate the use of OHEDA and an NMS for providing the personalization gift. NMS involves a personalized gift suppliers, namely lead toy, which takes personalized orders for the customers and fulfill them with the support of a large number of suppliers who provide the materials such as t-shirts, phones, cases and works. Retail purchases products from these suppliers according to the customer orders and their inventories presents personalized textures and the customer's orders patterns on the product as per the customer preferer and then delivers the final product to the customer. Autonomous configuration, event driven architecture, network manufacturing system and analogy. This is a basic flowchart, heretical structures of a demonstrated NMS. Personalized gift supplier network. There are t-shirt suppliers, phone case suppliers, mug suppliers, express, leaflet, wear and retail. Where there are t-shirt suppliers are order management and whereas lead toy is known as purchase order management and PM leaf factory scheduler and wipe manager express exlogist live way shipment and way trans mark slipper or order management. Conclusion conclusion powered by the developing ontology model of OHED is a capable of autonomous configuration and integration of events driven services providing by the different organization and their sub-organizations while ensuring that the predefined organization events, access rules are compulsory followed the proposed architecture meet the requirements of the emerging autonomous NMSs. The ontology we developed EDO is the fundamental part which enables OHEDA, therefore it needs to be further elaborated and standardized before architecture can be implemented in the large scale application. The ontology models needs to be further extended and the event registration and the message exchanges of a portable needs to be standardized. Thank you.